I just found the perfect golf glove holder. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just got this. This is by GOuft. I'm not sure that I'm pronouncing that right, but you can visit their website at gouftgolf.com. Now, I have shown you their golf glove in the past. It's got a spider web pattern, silicone on the grip itself, and I love it. It's the glove that I always go to because you get really great grip on your golf club. So I'm really excited about that. But I have tried a number of golf glove holders that clip onto your belt, and I've never really loved any of them. They've all worked fine, but this one I think is the best one yet. So I'm just going to open this up here because this is actually pretty clever. So we get two pieces here, all right? And we get one, this little carabiner clip-on, which will go onto your belt loop. You can put it on your belt with this metal clip right here, but it's got this retractable cord on it. So it's going to make it really convenient no matter where you put this, on your side, on your back, wherever. And you've got this key ring on the end here so that you can attach this little piece, and this is their spider web pattern, and it's three-dimensional. It's kind of like a thick rubber morale patch. It's got a little bit of flex on it, but this is actually the same pattern that's on their golf glove. But you can get this in different patterns. The American flag, other countries' flags, other designs, so you can get this really to your taste. Now, on the other side of this, we have a soft side of a Velcro loop here. So when you take off your golf glove, say you want to go onto the putting green and really have good feel, you can put it right on here. You don't have to worry about where is it because you can just pull it off. Just quick attach it to here and you'll know that it's right on your hip. But then when you want to pull it off, you don't have to worry about pulling on your pants. You can actually pull this away, pull off the glove without having to worry about it, and just let it go right back to your belt. Now, the really cool thing about this is it will also hold your ball marker. So if you have a poker chip like this, or if you use one of the smaller metal ones, the sucker will go right on there because it is magnetic. So not only will it hold your golf glove on this side, but it'll hold your ball marker right there. So this little device right here is super easy to clip on. It's easy to keep in your bag. This is the one I carry with me, and it's going to make your golfing putting game so much easier because everything is going to be right at the ready. Hey, if you want to pick up this simple little device that's going to make your trip to the green so much more pleasurable, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter. Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
I just found